Hi, I am Cece and I'm your favorite life insurance specialist. Today we're going to be going over employee life insurance and what does it entail, okay? So I met with a client last week and she told me she's been working at her job for 25 years, she's going nowhere. That sounds nice, but what if the job goes somewhere and you just can't go with it? All right, so you have insurance with the job. You are part of a group. So because you are a part of a group, you have a deeply discounted rate, okay? But now that the job is leaving, can you take your policy with you when you leave? Most of the times you cannot, okay? So if you can, you have 31 days to decide if you're going to take the policy with you. All right? That sounds great, right? Oh yeah, but now you're an individual. You're no longer part of the group, okay? So now you will get an individual rate. It is going to go from $10, $20, whatever you were paying out of your check. And you can expect that policy, that premium to go, you could be paying like $300 a month. If you can afford that, you can keep it. If not, now you have no life insurance. The coverage that you had through your job was probably either a term or an accidental policy. So that means that you have been on this job for 25 years and you have built absolutely no cash value, no living benefit, no living value to your life insurance policy. So now you are not working at this job, you don't have any life insurance, and you're 65 years old. What does that mean? That means you're gonna meet with me. You're gonna say, Cece, I need some life insurance. I'm 65. Now I'm going to ask you some health questions. Hi, okay, so what's the update? What's going on with your health? How's your health? And they're gonna say, I am wonderful, girl. I beat cancer last month. I'm like, wow, congratulations. Oh my God, I have on pink, breast cancer awareness. Last month? Oh, well, unfortunately, you're uninsurable for like 4 years for most policies. Most companies are not gonna touch you for 4 years because you have to be in remission for 4 years before I can write you a policy. So now you're 65 and you have no life insurance because your job ended or you left the job and you couldn't take your policy with you or you couldn't afford it. So what do I recommend? I definitely recommend getting you a permanent policy while you are employed. You don't have to end your insurance with your employer. You don't, because it's very inexpensive. And once again, like I said, it's probably a term or accidental. So if you don't know what that means, term is temporary anyway, so it doesn't last forever. It's just a temporary policy. And accidental only covers you if you die a certain way by an accident, okay? And they have these different levels of accident, just so you know. I'm not gonna get into all that, but that's what it is. So yeah, you definitely should get a permanent policy. I highly suggest you get a whole life or you get you a universal policy and you keep that. And that policy is gonna start building cash value so that when you want to make some money moves, you wanna make a boss move, you wanna buy some land, you wanna buy a house, or you just wanna travel and see the world, like you are your own banker and you can use your policy cash benefit and you can use that money and borrow against yourself and pay back to yourself. So do you need another life insurance policy if you have a life insurance policy at your job? Yes. Oh, you thought I was gonna say something else? No, that's it. The answer is yes. All right, so this is what I need you to do. If you have insurance on your job and you would like more information, or if you just need a policy because you don't already have a policy, hit me up, okay? My information is gonna be down there, and like, what do they say? Click and like and subscribe and all that stuff. I need you to do that. Yes, please click, like, subscribe, follow, all of those good things. I appreciate you, and yeah, that's my tip for today. I am gonna be signing off. I am Cece, your favorite life insurance specialist. I love you. Bye, guys.